Hey kiddos, all right, so I'm not there today because I can't move my neck. Like, look, if I go over this, oh my gosh, I can't bend my neck. So I need to go figure out what's going on with me. It's probably a pinched nerve or something to do with my muscles. So it's so fun now knowing about the human body, all the different things you can know about. With that being said, I'm not going to be there. You have a sub today. I don't know who your sub is, but I am expecting you to have integrity, treat them with respect, and being the best you that you can be. I know you can. To our substitute, please mark down anyone who is doing their job well and anyone who is not doing their job. I would greatly appreciate that. Today, you're still going to do your do it now. I'm going to tell you to pause here in a second. You're going to do the do it now cursive for 5 minutes. You're then going to do your turn in your spelling packets, play spelling tag, and then you're going to take your spelling test. Once your test is done, you're going to go ahead and open your folders, take out your porcupine hedgehog article. If you finish that one, awesome. Move on to the next one. Try to get through as many of those as you can today. If you get done with all 5 of them, which would be kind of astronomically not possible. If you do, though, if you get done with all 5, you can read, you can practice cursive, or you can work on the new spelling packet, which is on the back counter. Yeah, new spelling packets on the back counter should be week 16 is what you should be grabbing. All right, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, you should have already done your pledge. I am sorry, cannot be there. I miss you. I already love you. Go ahead and pause the video right now and hit the second to left button on the TV below. And then you're going to OPS and do this whiteboard thingy and do the do it now. A student knows how to do it as well, so you need help, just ask somebody who knows how to do it. Pause me for 5 minutes, get the do it now. When you're done with the do it now and the paper's back in your folders, then turn me back on. Bye. Okay, you should be done with the do it now, and now we're going to be ready to collect spelling packets. Our spelling packets, I obviously don't know who didn't turn what in because I'll go through it later. So what I want you to just do is go ahead and just turn your spelling packets in to the sub. And the sub, will you just go ahead and put in a nice neat pile and paper clip it. I got them all over the place over on my desk, which would be that way. That way. You're looking at me from the video. Be that. I don't know. It's on my desk. There's paper clips on my desk or binder clips. So we just put them together, please. If you did not turn in your spelling packet, you get a 0. That's so right. You guys are on top of it. We're going to play spelling tag. Once you're, yeah, I'll wait a minute. Go ahead and pause me again and collect spelling packets. You should have paused me. You should be collected of spelling packets now, so we should be good. Now we're going to play spelling tag. Spelling tag is a game of tag. It is a walking tag. What was that? Huh? Walking. Thank you. Somebody tags you by saying your name. You do not get to run. Oh, that hurt my neck. Pain. You do not get to run away. You get to go up to them and they get to tag you. They'll ask you which group you're in. Remember, if you get said or you get told to spell the same word over and over again, just tell them, hey, I've already spelled that word. Can you please give me a different one? Yeah, okay. Once spelling tag is done, you're going to play for about 3 minutes, and we're going to take our test. Pause me again, play spelling tag. Okay, you should have paused me. Did you pause me? If you did pause me, this is probably weird because you after moving on. Now that you've paused me, you should have your do it now done. Okay, you should have your spelling package turned in. You should have spelling tag done. And now you should be in your seat. If you're not in the seat, get your butt in the seat. You should be in the seat and you should be quietly listening. If you can't hear me, then you are too loud. Get a piece of paper. Put your name, date, and block on it. Name, date, and block. Do not forget that, or you get 50%. Name, date, and block, put spelling test 15 and your group number. Spelling test 15 and your group number. This should take you 30 seconds or less. Go! You could probably pause me till everyone's ready. Or I could just wait for 30 seconds. Nah, go ahead and pause me. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, you should have the do it now done. You should have your spelling packets turned in. Spelling tag should be complete, and you should have a paper in front of you that says your name, block 1, 2, or 3, and today's date. And it should have spelling test 15. What was that? 15. What was that? And your group number, please and thank you. Now, quick reminder, those of you picking up new spelling packets, new spelling packets, make sure if you got bumped up, you grab the correct one. Justice, Myrna, Naya, and there's somebody else. I cannot remember who. All my grades are at school, I'm sorry. There's 4 of you. If you can remember who that last one was. Oh my gosh, I cannot remember. It's been Mr. Young's room. I don't know. But you 3 have a chance of getting bumped up. There's 4 of you, but I can't remember the 4th one. You guys have a chance of getting bumped up. So really, really focus on this test, please. All right, I'm going to get started. We're going to go group 3 all the way through group 9. And I apologize for the block that does not have a group 9. You still have to hear group 9's words, because I'm going to go through them. Substitute, will you please continue to walk the room and make sure no one is cheating? At this moment, guys, all I want on your table is your piece of paper and a pencil. Everything else goes on the floor, including your stuff. All you need is your piece of paper and a pencil. Everything else goes on the floor. You have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. I haven't had coffee yet. 1. Okay, everything else should be on the floor, should be silent, and the paper should be in front of you. Group 3, number 1. Oh, you're doing this in cursive too. Print and cursive. Xavier, make sure you put print. Group 3, number 1. South. South, like a direction, south. Group 5, number 1, supply. Supply. Group 7, number 1, Acropolis. Acropolis. And group 9, number 1, impropriety. Impropriety. Group 3, number 2, sir. I use that word a lot. Sir. Group 5, number 2, December. This is a proper noun, so it should be, you should have said capitalized. Group 5, number 2 is December. Group 7, number 2, amendment. Amendment. Group 9, number 2, incandescent. Incandescent. Group 3, number 3, without. Without. It's 2 words into one. It's a compound word. With and then out. I basically spelled it for you. Group 5, number 3, reindeer. No, there's not 3 E's in a row in this. Some of you might have caught that mistake on the slide packet. Reindeer. Group 7, number 3, campaign. Campaign. Group 9, number 3, incessant. Incessant. Don't forget cursive. Group 3, number 4, second. That's like second place or a second on a watch. Second. Group 5, number 4, insect. Insect. A spider is not an insect. And you'll be reading about this in your compare and contrast articles. Group 7, number 4, impartial. Impartial. Group 9, number 4, inconsolable. Inconsolable. I should probably practice these before I get the test. Whoops. Group 3, number 5. Group 3, number 5, birds. Birds. Fuego is very aware when there's birds outside. Group 5, number 5, internal means on the inside. You have internal organs. Internal. Group 7, number 5, secede. Succeed. Secede. Not succeed. Secede. Group 9, number 5, indelible. Indelible. Group 3, number 6, you should be on word 6. If you missed one, the sub will go through them afterwards. Group number 6, loose. Like I have a loose tooth, or my shoelaces are loose. Not lose, loose. Group 5, number 6, external. If internal means inside, external means, you should have said outside, outside. Group 7, number 6, aqueduct. Oh, yeah. Aqueduct. Aqueduct. I don't know. I'm tired, dude. I haven't got coffee yet. Don't judge me. You know what I'm talking about. Just let it go. Group 9, number 6. Indispensable. Indispensable. Group 3, number 7. Shook. The earthquake shook the buildings. Shook. Group 5, number 7, doctor. Miss Voegeli is going to see a doctor today. She can't move her neck. Oh, dang it. Group 7, number 7, pseudonym. Oh, that's a fun word. Pseudonym. And group 9, number 7, indisputable. Indisputable. Group 3, number 9, you should be on understood. Group 3, number 9, understood. Group 5, number 9, wolf. Wolf. Group 7, number, wait. I skipped 8, guys. No, hold up. Group 3, your number 8 was shook. Group 5, sorry. Your number 8 is actually provide. Not doctor, it's provide. Number 9 is doctor. No, 7 was doctor. 8's provide. Group 5, 8 is provide. Let's say it again. Group 5, 8 is provide. This video is already 10 minutes long. I am not remaking this video. Group 5, number 8, provide. Group 7, number 8, hostile. You are all probably getting very hostile and upset at me right now because I'm not doing this right. I'm sorry. I love you guys. Group 7, number 8 is hostile. Group 9, number 8, insufficient. Insufficient. This vaguely is insufficient. Group 3, number 10, balloon. I want a balloon. Group 5, number 10, 9. Now I'm on... Group 3, your word should be south, sir, without second, birds, loose, choose. Forgot choose. Your number 9, make number 9 is choose. The other words you should have is shook and understood. So number 9 should be choose. Choose. So south, sir, without second, birds, loose, shook, understood, choose. Group 5, number 9, wolf. That's wolf. So you should have supply, December, reindeer, insect, internal, external, doctor, provide, wolf. Or wolf, provide could be switched. I don't care. Group 7, you're fine. Number 9 is ascension, ascension. And group 9, number 9 is interrogative, interrogative, interrogative. I'm so sorry. Forgive me. You can yell at me on Monday or in the comments. Group 3, number 10. We're all on 10. Everyone should be on 10. Group 3, your word is balloon. I still want a balloon. Group 3, your word is balloon. Group 5, number 10 is wolves. It's wolf, but it's plural. Wolves. Drop the F, add, I'm not going to tell you what it is. Group 7, number 10, hypothesis. Oh my gosh, guys. Yeah, we're learning that now. Hypothesis. Group 9, number 10, irreconcilable. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pause. Well, not you. Ah! It's falling. Oh, please. Oh, my neck. Okay, look at the ceiling for a second. We're going to look up that word. Why? Because I can. And it's Friday morning, and I'm tired, and I can't read today. And that's okay. You know what? We all make mistakes, right? So I-R-R. Oh, can't spell it out loud. That would be bad. Let's see what the dictionary says.
Irreconcilable.
Irreconcilable. Did you hear that?
Irreconcilable.
Irreconcilable. It's not my morning substitute. I'm not usually this crazy. Kids, do not shake your heads. Yes, you are. Okay, group 3, number 11, looked. That is a past tense. Looked. Not just look at something. I looked at something. Group 3, number 11, fungus. Fungus. Mushrooms are a type of fungus, so I don't eat them. Group 7, number 11, expansion. Expansion. Group 9, number 11, irrelevant. I can read that word. Irrelevant. Group 3, number 12, moose. Moose. There's a double letter in that. Group 5, number 12, fungi. It is the plural version of fungus. Fungi. Group 7, number 11, 12. We did expansion. Exception. Group 7, number 12, exception. Not like I'm accepting somebody, but exception like accept you. Exception. That was a really bad example. I'm sorry. Group 9, number 12, irrevocable. Irrevocable. I can do all the rest of the words for group 9. I don't need the computer again, I promise. Group 3, number 13, wheel. Not will, wheel. Like a wheel on a car. There's a double letter in there. Group 5, number 13, hippopotamus. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. No? Anybody know the song? Group 7, number 13, condemnation. Condemnation. Group 9, number 13. 13? I said 13, right? 13. Judicious. Judicious. Oh, guys, it's not my morning. I'm sorry. Group 3, number 14, season. Season. Group 5, number 14, hippopotami. It's the plural version of hippopotamus. Group 7, 14, conjecture. Conjecture. And group 9, number 14, justifiable. Justifiable. Group 3, number 15, axle. We are going to learn about axles when we do simple machines. Axle is number 15. Group 5, number 15, your word is octopus. Octopus. Group 7, number 15, this is your last word. Please double check your words and practice. Make sure your cursive's all filled out, name, date, and block. Number 15 is murmur. Murmur. Murmur, murmur, murmur. Sorry, murmur. Group 9, number 15, labyrinth or labyrinth. I've heard it pronounced both ways. Labyrinth, labyrinth. Whatever. Group 3, number 16, this is your last word. Your word is momentum. Momentum. Double check your words in your cursive, please. If you missed any of this up, we'll go over it. Group 5, number 16, octopi. It's not like a pie that's made out of octopus. It's more than one octopus. It's not octopuses, it's octopi. 16 is octopi. Group 9, number 16, liaison. Liaison. I'm going to wait 10 seconds between your words. Everybody else should be silent. Group 5, number 17, your word is elf. Elf, like a Christmas elf. Group 9, number 17, your word is lustrous. Lustrous. Group 5, number 18, elves. That's the plural version of elf, elves. Group 9, number 18, magnanimous. 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 You know what I'm saying. I'm sorry, I need coffee. Magnanimous. Group 5, number 19, connection. Connection. Group 9, number 19 is magnificence. Magnificence. Group 5, number 20, interstate. Interstate. Group 9, number 20, maintenance. Maintenance. All right, so what's going to happen is our wonderful substitute today is going to, in the spelling packets, I should have told you this at the beginning, I'm sorry. In the spelling packets that were turned in, go grab one that looks like, I can't do it today, one that has 3rd grade, one that has 5th grade, grade 5 on the top like this, one that says 7th grade, and one that says 9th grade. Can you please read through all the words so the students do not miss any? So I'm going to say pause. Go ahead and do that right now, please. Pause. Go get the spelling packets, get all the lists, and review all the words, please. Thank you. Pause. All right, you should have paused me, and you should have got those spelling words taken care of, and everyone should have all their words filled out. Just because I'm not there today, I still gave you the test. You have no excuse not to have a good score on it. Hopefully, those of you who are almost getting bumped up will be getting bumped up today. I hope. Fingers crossed. Now, depending on the time, I'm going to guess it's around 9 o'clock or so. Probably 8:50, 9. It shouldn't be later than that. Well, for the first block. The other blocks, I'm not going to forget the time. It should be about 40 minutes at best, 40, 45 minutes. What you're going to go ahead and do now is you're going to get your folders out and you're going to... Oh, test should have got turned in. Sorry. If tests didn't get turned in, please go ahead and turn those in now. I don't care what groups. Just have one person collect all the tests and put them in a pile. Put them with the spelling packets. Paper clip in place. Put them with the spelling packets. You can pause me if you need to. All right, so do it now should be done. Spelling packets collected, spelling tag completed, spelling test completed, spelling test collected, and now we should be moving on to the next piece. You should still have your folders out. In your folders, you should have your hedgehog and porcupine articles. If there are not enough, substitute. If you're looking at the students, on my second black table, there's that gray thing that has 3 sections. On that last section, there should be a binder clip of these articles. Hedgehogs and porcupines. Can you just take one out of that and give it to the student? If you can't find it, if the student next to you doesn't have it, can you guys just partner read and partner answer and just put your both names on it? Try to get through as many of those as you can today. You want to do Venn diagram. I need you practicing comparing and contrasting for our writing checkpoint next week as well as our science lab. On Monday, we have our science lab. Please don't miss Monday. Do not miss Monday. Do not miss Monday. Don't miss Monday. Don't do it. I need you there Monday. If you're not there Monday, your science fair project is going to be on the lab that we did yesterday. On Monday, you'll be taking a trifold home. You will be taking the essay requirements home and taking the trifold requirements home. If you guys have any questions, Ms. Tafoya has my phone number. If it's like vital and issues, like you need to talk to me, let me know. I love and support you. I'm sorry I'm not there today. Please do your articles. Be the best class you can be because I know you're amazing and this sub is going to have the best day ever. Hopefully they're already having the best day ever because they're already seeing how amazing you are. Love and support you. I will see you guys on Monday. Have a wonderful and safe weekend. Bye.